Can a $200 infrared grill sear steaks like a 5-star steakhouse? We're going to find out. We cooked them on the Bighorn Outdoors infrared grill. It gets up to 1500 degrees and it cooks a steak in 5 minutes. And we also grill some veggies on it. So I am going to share with you the unboxing, how we put it together, and the recipe. And it also comes with a pizza stone. So you're going to get a 2-for-1. You're going to get a steak cooker, cooks veggies, anything you can put in an oven or on a grill you can make in that. And also it turns into a pizza oven. So you got a 2-for-1 deal here. So can't beat that. So I will show you the unboxing, how we cooked everything. So I'll go ahead and turn you around and show you everything that you need to know so you can get one too. Before we unbox it, I thought I would show you all the features of this grill. It takes only 10 minutes to set up. It gets up to 1500 degrees and it only takes 3 minutes to heat up. It's portable, so you can bring it tailgating, you can take it camping, even at the pool. There's no tools needed, and everything is dishwasher safe. After it's done cooking, you can just throw everything into the dishwasher. You can make restaurant quality steaks, you can make wings, fish, veggies, and all kinds of food on it. It even has that pizza stone for pizza. You could take it to the beach, you could take it to the lake, just put it in your backyard and hang out with your friends and family. When Bighorn Outdoors contacted me to try their infrared grill, I was excited, but I think one person was more excited than me, and that was Doug, my husband. He loves to cook outside, so he was very eager to test this out. He's going to unbox everything, and there are all the parts. And it only took about 10 minutes to put together, and we had everything done. There's also an instruction manual if you need that. So now we'll start the assembly process. The first thing you'll do is take the 2 supports and attach those to the inside of the grill body. They just snap right in, and you don't have to use any tools for that. With this drip tray, the infrared heat comes from above. It melts the grease that falls down in the drip tray, and that means no flare-ups and less smoke. Then we'll attach the table, which just snaps in. And then we're going to put the grates on and put in that grate lifter and put in the grates. And it's got 7 different levels, and you can go low heat or even go all the way to the top. On the top rack, your steak takes exactly 60 seconds per side to get that crispy crust, that Maillard reaction. And then we're going to put on our control knob, and we'll put in our AAA battery. And then you'll just attach the propane tank with your long cord, and we are going to get ready to grill some steaks. Oh yeah, I feel that heat already. We're ready to cook. That only took a few minutes to put together, and we are ready for some steaks, y'all. So we're going to go ahead and prepare the steaks and get them ready while this thing is heating up. So we'll be back in a few minutes. I've let these gorgeous thick ribeye steaks sit out and get to room temperature, and I salted them. You don't want to pepper them because of the intense heat will burn that pepper. And I've also got some peppers and onions that I'm going to grill with the steaks as well. I'll put the veggies on the bottom, and when the steaks are done, I'll put them on the top to get a good char on them. It's only been 3 minutes, and we are ready to cook these gorgeous steaks. With that red roaring infrared heat, you know it's going to cook your steak perfectly. Oh yeah, smells good already. I'm so excited. Look at all that heat going on there, y'all. Sizzle. I'm going to put the veggies on the bottom, and when our steaks are done, I'll move those to the top and let them get a good char on them. But look at those ribeyes. They are gorgeous. They're getting that sear on them, and that's what you're going to get when you have that 1500 degree heat. It's going to give you that quality crust, that sear that's going to seal in all the juices. And with this infrared grill, you can have grilled steaks just as good as a restaurant in your backyard. All right, y'all, ready for the reveal. Let's get these babies out. Hear that sizzle? All right, let's see it. Let's see what it looks like. Those steaks look amazing. We're going to let them rest, and we're going to check on our vegetables. They were perfectly cooked, so we're just going to get a little bit of a char on top, and then we're going to let our steaks rest, and we'll be ready to eat. And oh my goodness, look at this beautiful steak. Perfect medium rare, no gray band, nice and juicy and flavorful, because you've got that really intense heat that's going to sear that meat and lock in all those juices. And this was the juiciest steak I have ever made. You have got to try this grill. I am so excited to try the pizza next, but there's also other kind of meats and fish I want to try on it as well. But this was delicious. I want to thank Bighorn Outdoors for sending me this wonderful grill. I can't wait to make more meats and veggies on it. And I will have all their information linked down below in the description box so you can get one too.